I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we will be checking out the trend trading for boom and crash. Okay, a unique trend trading strategy for boom and crash, most especially for those of you that are able to have your hands on this indicator. I'm going to be using it to do some analysis right here so that you will understand how to go about it. It is a simple strategy and you're going to love every bit of it. You can make up to $1,000 doing this. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice, and make sure you perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here so that we get to see how we can take advantage of the market using this strategy. So I need you to get your pen and your notepad ready. Take notes of some of the points I will be highlighting in this video and put them into practice. Whenever you are practicing on your demo account, then you can now try them on your real account. Like I always tell you, your trend is always very, very important. Okay, once you are able to get your trend right, then definitely you will get every other thing right. Okay, then also your support and resistance zones are also very vital. Then also your lot size is also something you need to look into, because your lot size will help you to be in full control of the market. Okay, I'm going to cite a quick example about the lot size. I actually spot a particular trend yesterday night and I came into it using a very small lot size, but immediately I entered the trade despite the fact that I spot that it's about to start the trend. I love going into the market when the trend is about to get started, but immediately I got into it, the markets went against me, and of course it was like that for a while, for like an hour or two, and of course I had to remain focused because I'm very sure and certain that I am buying in at the I am getting into the market at the right time. Okay, just that something happened that triggered the action to go against me at that particular point. By the time I woke up this morning, I noticed that it has gotten to my take profit and closed a trade of $220 profit for me. Okay, you can imagine. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. That is how you can take full control of the market. Okay, that is how you can take full control of the market. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. So I will still be using the same trading tool which I gave out a few days ago, only for those that were able to do the right thing and they were able to take advantage of it at that particular point. That is why I always tell you, be a subscriber of this channel, join the Telegram channel, do whatever I ask you to do in my video on time so that you can have access to some of my freebies. I've been asking you guys to join the Telegram channel. Some of you are yet to join. Very soon I will be closing it down because I will be posting some trading activities right there that you guys can pick right from there. Okay, and take advantage of the market. Okay, when we are talking about trend trading strategy, okay, it has to do with the trend, just the way the name is sounding. You need to know when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so if it is going, if the market is on uptrend, then you should know that you should focus on a buy trend. Okay, you should know that you should focus on a buy trend, and of course that should come from a support zone. Okay, you can see right here is a support zone, and of course you should be expecting to buy at this point. It got there around there, and of course we had had a buy signal and it went for a few period, it came down again, but you will still be having the strong faith in this because this is a support zone. If it is not breaking out below this support zone, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. You can see it went back into a buy, and of course it still came down again. If you didn't close it, then definitely your account will go red again. But because this is still a support zone, once it is yet to break out below this support zone, then definitely you still have more confidence within the market. And since you are using a reasonable lot size, it will only take some time, but once you get it right, then definitely you're going to milk the market right from there. You can see it now gave us another buy signal around there, and check it out, it went up. You can imagine, guys, this happened because it is at the support zone. If this had happened at the middle of the trade, then definitely you might lose some of your money, but because it is at the support zone, and of course it is it has over sold already, it is meant to buy at that particular point. Okay, so you can see it went back into a buy trend, broke out from the resistance zone, and it started buying, and it bought for a very long time. You can imagine these are 1 hour time frame. If you had come in around here, and of course you placed your order and close your order somewhere here, this will be giving you 92 candles. That means you have been in the market for 92 hours, which is more than a day, it is more than 2 days, it is more than 3 days. You can imagine that is going to be pure profit for you. If you convert it into minutes and do your calculation, let's say you are making 50 cents per minute, you're going to see how much profit you would have made with these. Okay, so that's amazing. That is why I said you can make up to $1,000 using this strategy. It is a unique trend trading strategy. Right now this is at the resistance zone at the moment, and of course we should, once we notice that it is at the resistance zone, and according to what I usually tell you in my videos, then it means that the resistance zone is the best time for you to sell, and you sell when the market is high. Okay, you can see the market is high around here, and it is at the resistance zone already, and we've been given a trend signal around there, and right here is also a sell signal. So which means if we come in here and start selling, then definitely we will be in profit, and it's going to sell for a very long time. It might not get started today, but it's going to sell for a very long time. It's going to go down gradually. It might not be straight, but it's still going to go down gradually until it gets back to this support zone. It will first of all get to this particular support zone and see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely we get to see it going down and down to the next support zone, and also the next support zone till it gets to this particular major support zone. This is amazing, guys. Once you see this, then you should know that this is how you should set up your trade and start trading right away. Okay, guys, I believe you guys have learned, you've been able to put down 1 or 2 things from this video, which you can also put into practice whenever you are trading. So all you just need to do is just to follow the full instruction, practice on your demo account very well. It is what you practice that you can put into use whenever you are trading on your real account. So this is very easy to do. Anyone can actually do this. You too can do the same thing. All you just need to do is just to make sure you put everything in the right place, and you will be able to get it right. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.